Abuela's hearty mole de olla. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 2 hours 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds beef shank, 1 pound beef short ribs, a half piece white onion, 4 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons salt, 4 pieces guajillo chilies, 2 pieces ancho chilies, 2 pieces pasilla chilies, 2 pieces Roma tomatoes, 2 ears corn on the cob. Step 1. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, add the beef shank, short ribs, onion, garlic, and salt. Cover with 4 quarts of water. Step 2. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low. Skim off the grey foam that rises to the surface to ensure a clear, clean broth. Cover and simmer for 1 hour 30 minutes. Step 3. While the meat simmers, lightly toast the dried chilies in a dry skillet over medium heat for 30 seconds per side until fragrant but not burnt. Step 4. Soak the toasted chilies in hot water for 15 minutes until soft. Blend the chilies, roasted tomatoes, and a cup of the soaking liquid until completely smooth. Step 5. Strain the chili mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into the pot with the simmering meat, discarding the skins and seeds. Step 6. Add the corn rounds and the sliced zoconosel to the pot. Continue to simmer for another 20 minutes. Step 7. Stir in the carrots and chayote. These take longer to cook than the softer vegetables, so let them simmer for 10 minutes. Step 8. Add the green beans and zucchini. At this stage, tuck the episode sprig into the broth. The aroma will immediately transform the kitchen. Step 9. Simmer everything together for an additional 15 to 20 minutes until the meat is fork tender and the vegetables are cooked through but not mushy. Step 10. Taste the broth. Adjust the seasoning with more salt if needed. The broth should be light, spicy, and slightly tangy from the zoconosel. Step 11. Remove the boiled onion and garlic cloves before serving if you prefer a cleaner presentation. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.